check out this awesome cane. It is so portable, and I'm gonna show you how at the end, but check this out. So you've got this really nice sturdy cane down here on the bottom. You've got this metal, and you've got 4 little legs right here. A lot of times, you know, it's just like that one little piece in the middle, but now that you have 4, it's gonna make it extra stable, which I think is really nice. It is, of course, adjustable here. So you would just unscrew this, and then you would be able to lift this up depending on your, and then just pop it into place depending on your height. I'm actually not sure what is the best option for me, so we're gonna try that and see how it goes. This can actually withstand 350 pounds, so I'm gonna turn it this way. So it's probably a bit high for me, but that's okay, you're gonna get the idea. Check out the handle. I really like that you have this nice groove right here, so it fits in my hand really well. I'm not 100% sure like how people hold canes. I think it just depends on what feels best for you. For me personally, I like to have one finger underneath here, and then I grab my thumb goes into this groove right here, and then this way I can just put that pressure on there. Another cool thing, which is hard to see, but like look at this cane here. You actually have that flexibility because there is a 360 like ball joint down there so that you can be moving, so the cane is moving with you. It's not like super stiff and you're not going like this. You're actually, when you have that arm movement, it's gonna lean forward with you, which I think is really cool. So as I mentioned, it is also really portable because this just pops out. Check that out. This goes like this. This goes like this. I probably have to bring this in a little bit. Obviously, it will just depend on, you know, where you want to put it when you're traveling, but then that pops in like that, and then they give you this bag and you can put everything in here. So maybe if you're not needing this all the time, maybe if you just know that you're going on a trip, for example, and you're going to do a lot more walking and you need that cane, having something like this is so great. You also have that little strap right there that you can wear around your wrist to make you feel a little bit extra secure. But yeah, this thing is great.